I'm washing my hands. Hi, Miss Jones. I'm Miss Rice. I'm gonna be your aide today, and I'm gonna help you with dressing. Can you confirm your name and date of birth? Thank you. I'm gonna make sure the bed is locked. I'm gonna pull your privacy curtain. I'll make sure it's adjusted to the height that's comfortable for me. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do first is to take off the gown, and then we can put your shirt on that you choose. Okay. For the state of Georgia, they say that this is the affected arm is the right arm. So for undressing a client, you will need to start with the unaffected arm, which is going to be the left. So I'll move over to her other arm, and then I'll begin taking her gown off. Gonna make sure that the cover is covering her at all times, making sure not to overexpose your client. So I'll just begin by just holding it up, or you can just lay it there while you get the unaffected arm off. And for a live person, you can ask them to take their arm out of this sleeve because it is unaffected. I'm gonna roll the dirty side in while keeping her covered up. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue to remove the gown. Rolling the dirty side in, and also being sure not to touch myself with this garment. All right, I'll be right back. All right, Miss Jane, which shirt would you like to wear? Okay, the blue? All righty. We'll go ahead and put this one down. Now I will begin dressing on the affected side. And it's sometimes easier for you to have the person sitting up when you are doing this skill, because you're gonna have to get this shirt around the back of them, and sometimes it's easier to do it while the person is sitting up. You can ask them to sit up a little bit for you. You'll put the shirt around on the other side, and then once you get around to the other side, you can ask that person, because that is the unaffected arm, you can ask them to please put their arm in the sleeve. The state of Georgia does allow that. Okay, could you put your arm, help me please by putting your arm in this sleeve? Okay. Once you have the shirt on, you can go ahead and lower this a little bit because it's not exposing the chest. And you will begin to button the shirt up. For the state of Georgia, they only require you to button about 2 buttons. All right, Miss Jane, we're all done. You look awesome in your shirt. Get her arm, let's get her situated. Here we go. All right, so I'm all done. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and make sure you have your call bell. Would you like to stay sitting up? Okay. Call bell in your hand. Make sure your bed is to the lowest position so that you do not fall out of the bed. I'm gonna make sure it's locked, and I'm gonna open up your curtain. And then I'll be back to check on you in a few hours, okay? I'll then take out the extra shirt and the hanger that I brought in, and then I will wash my hands, and I'm done with this skill.